Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change how motion photos are taken. So motion photos are basically photos which basically takes 1 second before and 1 second after. So a total of 3 seconds is being taken. However, it'll only show you what is in the center. With motion photos, you can basically scan through them and take the best picture. So let me show you how you can change how motion photos are taken. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the camera app. Next, tap on these 4 dots. Then tap on settings. Now from here, find advanced picture options. And then now find motion photo capture. Tap on this. Now as you can see, it basically takes 1 second before and 1 second after the shutter. You can also set it to only take before shutter only. So 1 second before the shutter is pressed. And that way you can basically choose what you want. So there you go guys. That is how to choose how motion photos are taken on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.